Hello everyone, and welcome to the Qorrect platform. In this video, we'll learn together how, as an item creator, we can import a file of questions. First, log in with your item creator account. Then, on the left-hand side of the page, click on Items. This will open the Items page. The first step is to select the module where you want to create your items. Click on the module drop-down list, and you will see all the modules assigned to you. Select the module, then click on Import. A new window will appear. Here, click on Download Template. You can choose the type of template, whether it's Word or Excel. Let's start by uploading questions using the Word template. Choose the type of questions you want, then click on the download icon. For example, if we start with the MCQ template, once you click on it, the file will be downloaded to your computer. Open the file to begin filling in the table. After opening the file, you will notice some directions at the top. Please read them carefully before starting to fill your items. Scroll down, and you will see the question table. Item number. Enter a number for the question. It must be unique and not repeated within the same file or across tables. This field is mandatory. Item stem. Enter the main text of the question. This is also mandatory. Important note: do not use the and symbol in the stem. If you want to add an image to the stem, click Insert, then Pictures, select the image, and click Insert. Item tag. Enter a tag or keyword for the question. This makes it easier to search for questions in the item bank without relying only on the stem. You can add more than one tag by separating them with a comma. This field is optional. Difficulty level. This is also optional. It allows you to set the difficulty level of the question. The field only accepts numbers from 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, up to 1. Expected time for answer. An optional field that accepts only one integer number, in minutes. The value must be between 1 and 120. ILO code. Optional. You can enter one or more ILO codes, but they must belong to the same module where the item will be uploaded. Subject level code. Optional. You can enter one or more subject level codes, and they also must belong to the same module. Next, start entering the alternatives. You will notice there are 5 options available. If your question has 5 choices, fill them all. If it has only 4 choices, you can delete one option. To delete an option, go to the last row of the table, right-click, choose Delete Cell, then select Delete Entire Row, and click OK. After that, set the correct answer by placing an asterisk symbol in front of the correct option. Now we have created our first question in the file. To create a new question, copy the entire table, press Enter after the previous table to make some space, and then paste it. Fill in the new table as explained before. Make sure to change the item number, the stem, and any other fields as required. Important note, all optional fields can either be filled in or left empty, but never delete any of these fields from the table. Once you finish adding all your questions, click Save. Then, go back to the Items page on Qorrect. Click on Import, select your file, and click Open. And that's it. We have successfully uploaded a set of MCQ questions to the Qorrect system using the template.